Rhythm and Rhyme brings nursery rhymes, stories and smiles to libraries across Northern Ireland. Perfect for babies and toddlers and completely free for families.
At Rhythm and Rhyme we use songs, movements and simple actions to help little ones learn language, build confidence and connect with the grown-ups who love them. All our Rhythm and Rhyme leaders are trained to support early language development. We show parents simple ways to share songs and stories at home.
It's not just fun. These moments help children build language, confidence and early communication skills.
Rhymes, rhythm and repetition are incredibly powerful for early brain development. Sessions like this not only offer children pleasure, allowing them to play with words and patterns, they give our youngsters the best possible start in building language and communication.
And for parents, these sessions also offer support, confidence and a chance to share the joy of learning together.
It's such a lovely routine for us. I've learned so many little rhymes to use at home. As a parent, I get so much from Rhythm and Rhyme. It's the highlight of our week for us to come on our regular weekly visit, which we then incorporate also to visit to borrow some books and do any other activities that are happening in the library as well.
It's really great for bonding. You get this shared moment with your child and that feels really, really special.
The early years are crucial for brain development. Activities like Rhythm and Rhyme support the foundations for communication, social skills and school readiness. And because you're surrounded by children's books, it's an easy step from rhymes to stories, and from stories to developing a lifelong reader. Rhythm and Rhyme is fun, free and part of every library in Northern Ireland. Join us, sing with us and give your child the very best start.